This is going to be a good one. This is going to be a great video, so get comfy, get your popcorn, get your drinks, get your soda, make sure it's diet, you feel me? Get your smoothie. I prefer smoothies with some fruits, some berries, some melons, some strawberries. Get comfy, bro, because this is going to be a good one. If you're new to the channel, hit the like and subscribe for more content, okay? So, everybody, if you have a spiritual channel, a spiritual YouTube channel, most likely you've had a video discussing this topic. But no one quite explains it the way that, like, no one dumbs it down enough so that people can understand. So today I'm going to dumb it down, bro, because I like things explained to me the most kindergarten, first grade level that I can possibly understand. So if you are trying to quantum leap or quantum shift or change your entire reality, this is how the universe explained it to me. This is how all the synchronicities lined up to this realization, okay? So keep in mind that it takes 60 days for a sperm cell to fully mature. 60 days, okay? So if you're a man and you are retaining your energy and your fluid, it takes 60 days for you to really start seeing the effects. It takes 60 days for you to start proving to your mind, your body, and your spirit that whatever habit that you are building is now your current state. This is now who you are and what you are. It takes about 30 to 60 days of you eating the same food, right, for your cells to be now made up of whatever you're eating. So if you're eating junk all the time, after 30 days, your cell will be made of cheeseburgers, basically. You see? So it's usually around 30 to 60 days of doing the same thing repeatedly over and over and over again for your body and your cells to start treating it as a regular, normal habit. For an example, for the next 60 days, I will post at least one video every day. For the next 60 days, I will do at least 100 push-ups every single day. For the next 60 days, I will not participate in adult content. You see what I'm saying? So life is all about mind, body, and spirit. So when you are doing these actions, your thoughts and your mind are also in alignment with whatever actions that you are doing. This is where scripting and this is where affirmations come in handy. So you have a notepad, you have a notebook, and you're writing down everything that's in alignment with the 60-day actions that you're taking. So you can write something that I am wealthy, my channel is growing, my health is improving, or whatever the case may be, and you're taking forth the actions every day that's in alignment. So then your mind, your body, and spirit becomes in alignment. This is how you quantum shift. This is how you quantum leap into a new reality according to the universe. The secret is the feeling. When you can conjure up the feeling before it happens, this is the key. This is the secret recipe. This is the Krabby Patty secret formula, bro, is the feeling. So as you're doing the actions, as you're gaining the confidence, you start stepping into the thought and stepping into the feeling before it happens because you're building the habit. If you're posting videos every day, if you're working out every day, even before you see the results, you start to feel like you're a bodybuilder. You see? You start to feel like your channel is growing. You start to feel like things are better, even when the results don't show it. But the problem is a lot of people, they don't want to make the change. So step one is to make the change. And when they make the change, they're not in vibrational alignment with it long enough when it comes to their thoughts and everything else that they're doing in order for them to quantum leap. It's meditation, but it's also how you think. It's also the things you do in the 3D, physically. You can't pray or meditate on being a bodybuilder and never stepping foot inside of a gym. It don't work like that. You see, you can't say you want better health and a healthy body, but yet you're still going to McDonald's to order a number 2 or a number 3 or whatever. You see, it don't work like that. This is where a lot of people struggle when it comes to quantum leaping, quantum shifting, is you're not in alignment. Alignment is your body, mind, and spirit. The birds wanted to join the message today, so quantum leaping, quantum shifting is when you develop a habit on repeat mode to where your thoughts and feelings start aligning with those habitual habits that you do every single day. So when you do this, you take this into your meditations, you take this into your prayers, and this is how you quantum leap and quantum shift. So if you're new to the channel, and this is your first time, welcome. Hit the like and subscribe for more content. Catch you in the next video.